Hi, so today we were doing Reader's Workshop. This is a chance for us to practice our reading and become stronger, better readers. Right now what we're learning about is identifying our bad habits, things that we do a little bit wrong as we're reading, and then working on some strategies to help fix those bad habits. Things like using our eagle eyes by checking the pictures, or using stretchy snake and sounding out all the different sounds in a word. By doing this, our reading is getting stronger and the students are getting more comfortable and happy to read. Thank you. Habits that you found. You can say, my bad habit is, for me it was mumble. And then what was your strategy? How did you fix it? I fixed it by using, what did I use? Stretchy snake. Okay. Partner A will go first. Ready?
My bad habit was mumble. I fixed it by eagle eyes.
My bad habit was the blooper, and I fixed it with chunky monkey. My bad habit was the blooper, and I fixed it by the flippy dolphin.